Welcome to Handheld Tool Rentals educational video series, where we look at various equipment made available for rent to you.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today Raj will be showing us different types of lawn care equipment that we carry.
We'll start with our trimmers, what we have. We have blowers, we have bed edgers, we have sod cutters, we have things to cut the grass, we have things to do aeration, all them seasonal equipments. Our first piece of equipment, the handheld hedge trimmer, right? This is, you have some overgrown bushes. This is what you need. If that don't work, we have a pole hedge trimmer. Where that one can reach, we have this one. They do the same thing. Overgrown bushes, this is what you need. We're also going to speak about our string trimmer. You have some weeds around your houses. This is what you need to cut the little weeds and everything around your houses. We have our pole chainsaw. You have some limbs high and you want to reach it, this is what you need. Why they call it a pole chainsaw? It could extend out like that and you reach your limbs where you want to reach. We have our backpack blower and we have a push blower. Leaf season, this is what you need to do your leaf job. We have the bed edger. You have a garden, you're doing a garden around your house. This is what you need to cut your lines around your flower bed. Then after we have the sod cutter. You're doing drainage and you're doing water line burst or something like that and you need to take out your sod. This is what you need, the sod cutter to cut your sod. You fold it up, you put it. When you're finished, you can take back the same sod and put it on back. You have your mowers. I have a small little push mower. If you want something bigger than that, I have a ride-on. All is for cutting grass for your grass season. And then we start our seasonal equipment, aeration time. This is what I have for my aeration season, right? So I have an overseeder. This overseeder, why they call it an overseeder? You could put seed in this one in front and it have blades underneath and it cut the grounds and throw the seed one time. This is why they call it an overseeder. I have something called a detacher. It's almost the same thing, but it don't have the seeder box in front. It's the same thing, it have blade underneath. It cut the grass, the dry grass, little shrubs and thing, and you cut, it make preparation, it cut the ground, and then after, this is what you're going to use to put on the seed. It's a push behind overseeder. You full seed inside here. When you're done use this equipment, you use the overseeder to spread your seed. Then we have things for your aeration. You have a walk behind aerator, you have a ride-on aerator, two ride-on aerator, one without a seed and one with a seed, or a seeder in it. So this one is a small walk behind. It make hole, it plugs hole in the ground, and then after you use the same push behind seeder to spread the seed. This one is the same thing. It's a stand-on aerator. This one is a ride-on too, but this one have a seeder in it. You fully seed inside here, and then after you start your machine, you put on the seeder while you're plugging. Everything will do one time with this. If you're doing a complete new lawn landscaping job, you need something like this. It's tally rake attachment for the skid. This do everything you want. Remove the brushes, prepare the topsoil, prepare the ground. If it has any little humps, anything like that, this is what you need to start from fresh.
And Raj, and if I have some overgrown grass, do we have any equipment that could take care of that?
Oh, thanks for reminding me. Yes, if this don't work, I have a billy goat brush cutter. This is what you need. If you have overgrown bushes, overgrown grass that is big, the mower can do it, this is what you need.
Well, thank you so much, Raj, for showing us the equipment.
You're welcome anytime. Thank you very much.
And well, guys, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you next time.